Hey guys, this is episode 1 of me describing Monster High. First I'll be describing Nevera, Nile, the original. Her hair is like a greeny bluey colour with black streaks down. And if you get this doll, she doesn't come with the green bubbles in because I put them in. Her eye makeup is bronze at the top, and at the bottom it's gold, and her lips are like the same colour as her hair. She has odd earrings. This one is long because it's a snake, and the other is just gold. She's wearing like a tutu-y all-in-one dress, and it has fabric going down here attaching to her, and on here the pattern is like lines, and the colours are reddy, blue, black and beige. She has a gold belt around her with the snake that wraps on it. Moving down to her wrap, it's the same pattern as her clothing. It's just that wrap. Her shoes are open-toed. They are gold with black at the sides, and it has feathers here. For the heel, she has like blue cobras. Her bag is gold with snakes here and here. It's got the same colour as her hair and a blob of gold in the middle. She comes with her yellow brush, and her diary, which says Never Denial. And at the bottom, you may not be able to read it, but it says, "Of course you won't need my diary, Peanut." Her pet, Beetle, is the greeny bluey colour, and at the bottom is gold. Thank you for watching me describe Never a Denial, and I hope you watch my episode 2. Goodbye!